lang to, kapabasahan ko na mong apel.
Sige, okay. Kabalo na ka mabasa?
Sige mong edad,
Ano sa imong edad?
9. Sana ka nga.
9 years old. Ano sa ngalan nimo?
Grade.
Ha?
Grade 4.
Dido? Ha? Siglos?
Ikan din ni.
Taga-asa gani ka?
GRMSU. We are
Ay, taga dira ta ka. So, dira taga dapitan ta ka. So, ako di ay si Teacher Jean.
Teacher Jean.
Ikato siya si Teacher
Ben.
Ed. Tapos yung isa si Teacher Venos.
Ed.
So,
Siya, teacher. Teacher Jean. Teacher Ben. Okay, sige ko. Kasi name na ko.
sa inim na ko,
Ed, ako si Teacher Ed. Ako ang
siya,
tudlo ni mo og basa.
Ed.
Okay?
Oh, then, ay, sa
Sarta.
kabay
Pero
si
magulbaan
Teacher
kay,
Ben.
pag dili na nimo basa,
Okay.
sige na natin ka.
Dayon, pagbasa ta karon eh. Dayon, ignara ko nga
Mana siya.
unsa nga word ang dili nimo mabasa kay tuduan kita ha.
Okay?
Sige, start ka ta.
Dili malimot ha.
Sige.
Start ta.
Wow.
So, ato na kay story nga
Next.
ang story kay about si Pagong the curious letter turtle. Turtle, asa man ang turtle?
Woke up in his cozy
Asa na siya? Sa Bisaya, sa si turtle.
Sige.
burrow
Burrow.
on the
Pagong.
farm.
Sa Tagalog, pawikan.
The
Sa
sun was
Tagalog sa
shining
little turtle,
and the
pawikan.
grass
Sige, ano nakita si pawikan? Ano to siya makitaan?
with tiny
Sa
drops
dagat, di ba? Oh, nasa kanal kay kana sila kay tawag na kay wala man na sila yatiman. So atong title karon
Stretch.
the
his little
your
Pose.
use
Pose.
little turtle
Which?
again.
which he spilled
The
and
your pabas kami naman ko the
excited for the
your
day ahead.
use little
So, next is
turtle. Sige.
Without wasting any time, she bounced off
out.
out
Little
of his burrow
turtle. Okay.
and went hop across a
Very
wide
good.
green field.
Dili ni in.
Very good.
As
Sige.
As he
continue
Up.
hopped past the red
walking. Saan ang walking?
tall,
Wow, bali. Atong balik ko para
he
sa
looked around for his
Dili ni an.
where could
Very
they
good.
be? Benny wondered.
Question, di ba na i-question
Very
mark
good.
man siya.
Balik.
So,
Continue.
kuan siya. Imong pagbasa is, mura kag nangutana.
Eat.
Ang ni, ana siya, oh. Where could they be?
No.
So, it means, ana si Benny nga,
Balik ko sa name.
asa ka sila. Which is, nangita siya sa iyang mga kauban. Sige. Where could they be? Ikaw.
Where could they be?
Bird.
Benny
Balik.
Benny
Wala-
wondered,
wala na ka,
natingala
asa
siya
ni?
kay, nangita siya sa iyang mga kauban o asa. Sige, next is,
soon.
Very good. So, gini, ani kalinti, tawag gini siya. Kani,
spotted
Spotted Daisy,
nude,
the duck near the pond, and Charlie,
is,
Charlie the
bird.
pecking
Very good.
at the ground.
Nearby. Balik,
Morning.
nearby.
Very good.
Kani sa ni? Po,
Called happily. He hopped
nearby.
faster.
Kama, basta rin kama. Tunong ka o basa.
Okay.
Ayan, di ba sa
Good. Master mo kay ka mabasa. Sige.
Together,
bird,
they ran around
wala is, ayan, the bird,
playing tag and
Sa ganini?
laughing under the warm
very good. Kani,
sunshine.
notice, notice.
Next.
Kani,
After a while, Benny's
very good. Kani,
began
nearby, nearby.
Rumble.
rumble.
The
I think it's time for lunch, he said
bird, very good.
a giggle.
Together,
The friend woke
friends
The friends
Chirp.
walked to
Good.
the
Chirp.
vegetable
Chirp.
patch.
patch where fresh
gingon ni-
carrot
Ni
Carrots.
Ano yung gingon?
and leafy green were growing.
Hello.
Very good.
There. Sad.
Guinea pig,
Very good.
a bright orange
good.
carrot, and
Micah.
began to
Munch.
munch. The crunchy sound
So, nang
made
way.
him smile.
Olan, very good.
Daisy
Kan-
nibbled on some
Di ba namin nga
Lettuce.
chapter?
Lettuce.
Si Turtle,
Kani?
kaya na po siya diri.
and
Kung ako
Charlie
basahon, nasa si Turtle
Charlie
diri.
picked
Sige.
at sweet corn
Lagi.
Kernels.
kernels.
Kernels. Tuldok. Di ba?
Good
Tuldok.
morning.
Very good.
Very good. Buntag.
They enjoy their meal.
Enjoyed.
Itong ganiya.
They enjoyed their meal together
Beneath.
beneath
Yun.
the shade of a big tree.
Eat. Eat ka. Eat.
Next.
When they finished eating, they heard cheerful music
From.
coming
Good.
from the farmhouse. Benny's ears perked up.
Leaf. Kani, unsa nang leaf?
He felt
Very good.
so
Dahon.
happy that
Kani,
he
here.
Started.
started
Good.
to wiggle his fluffy tail. His friend laughed and danced
Very good.
along with him.
New.
And
Places.
so,
Balik ko sa ni.
so as the
Places.
sky turned
Very
orange
good.
and the stars began to twinkle above the quiet farm,
Balik.
Benny snuggled back into
Namay N. Unsa man na? Saan ko babasa?
burrow with
Oh, very
a
good. Win.
happy heart.
Pag na-end, win. Sige, kalit sa ganyan.
Closed his
Kani.
eyes, dreaming of more
Very
fun
good.
and laughter.
Laughter.
And laughter waiting
Waiting.
for him to follow because
Sa pa.
on that little
Sky.
farm every day
Sky.
was
Sa name.
adventure.
Very good.
When you had good friends by
Namay
your
wise.
side.
Good. So,
Gray.
here is the
Great.
moral
Good.
of the story, which is muna siya ang murag gintong aral kanang need nimo nga ma-learn sa story. So, sige. Read.
True happiness
Balik.
is found in
Gray. Da.
friendship,
Da.
kindness, and sharing. Simple moments together make
Fall.
every day
Fall. Yeah.
joyful
Good.
and
Kapit-kapit ta. May
meaningful.
naman eh.
So, okay. Nagets ni
Next
mo
na
ang
po.
story.
Episode.
Nagets ni mo
Basta
ang
may
story.
iyon niya.
Unsa may imong nakuan sab?
Ay.
Unsa may imong nakuha
Ay.
na kaning
Yun.
learnings gikan sa Bunny the Bunny. Unsay gani all about ang Bunny the Bunny?
What I
It is
will.
unsa bahin siya nga story ang Bunny the Bunny?
Very good.
Hey, unsa gisaya lang nga answer?
The letter.
Kana imong nasabtan.
So. Lee.
So ang Bunny the Bunny is about siya sa being a good friend.
Nang sa ning place ani?
No?
Nang sa si
Kanang pagkikamiga,
Ulan no?
kanang being kanang
Dagan
butan
jud
ka
mga-
sa imong isip ng tao.
Oh, tubig.
Ana.
Sige.
So, gets ni mo, mo ni siya diri ang moral story. Ganahan ka ani?
No, S. Basta ni ani bitaw kay S.
Kaya ako ni ihatag nimo.
Pag wala on na to si kuan S.
Sa ganahan ka ani?
Lowly. Pero pag naman siya
Sure ba?
S, so basa. Lowly. Pero pag wala ng S, sana siya? Lowly. Para makabasa taon
Okay.
siya. Very good.
Slowly.
Kani. Eat. Pala ni, pag wala na to si I. Hindi ko sa ipabasa sa mga letter. Letter D. Pag naa si I. Oh, eat. Okay, unsa gani siya? Pag wala si L, unsa na?
Sige, humana ta, baby girl.
Lowly.